Guys, this has got to be the last video I make for the day. Come on, it has been a long day. Come on, I've been doing this from the morning and now I've had enough. To be honest, you guys, I've had enough. So that's why I went ahead and created a second solution on exercise 7.10. Okay, however, you can read it through yourself. However, right here I'll be applying generics because I've already given you guys a solution that is pretty straightforward. Okay, so here's what I'll do. I will simply create a method, a generic method. In fact, I should have introduced this concept of generic methods back when I was still making videos on methods. Okay, but it's never too late to learn a new Java concept. Comparable E. It is Java's convention to use E as a generic data type. Some languages such as C#, they usually use T instead of E. Okay, so but it doesn't matter. You can use V as well. Any other letter you can think of will do it. Okay, so here's it though, just like before. I'll simply create a minimum of type E and then I will initialize it with the first element in the array, small index. I'll make it I. I'll initialize it to 0. I'll then have an array which will start from 0. In fact, you can start from 1 now that 0 is already reserved. Now that the first element is reserved for min. Okay, is array dot length is I less than array dot length. If it is, then we can simply increment our I. Okay, now what we wanna do is we wanna go min.compare to what? To array at I. We now wanna compare those. If the answer is greater than 0, immediately we know that our min value needs to be modified, updated. And then our small index will then be I. Let me return small index now. Small. Told you guys I can no longer type. That's why this has got to be the last video. Oh, another thing that I've gotta change here is actually the data types you're working with. You gotta make this an array of objects as opposed to an array of primitive types. Okay, this is gonna be it, you guys. Let's hit the run button and see what you get. Again, I'll only be using this sample run right here. It shouldn't be a problem to do such an exercise. Okay, with this out of the way, you guys, there's absolutely no need for me to check out other cases, but of course I can if you want me to. Like, for instance, let's try something like different numbers. Let's try 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 let's try 12:45. Let's try minus 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That should do it. You see, it seems like the last element, which is at index 0, is the minimum one. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. I'll see you, I don't know when would that be, probably tomorrow, but I know it doesn't make any difference to you guys. Okay, this is gonna be it for the day, you guys. Cheers. I'm gone.